Right, so if you had to rate me from 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
Who's that Pokemon?
All she want is cloud and she like me cause my face. I wanna be booed up sipping purple every day.
Hey, hard time. Yeah, rate me from 1 to 10. Eight, alright, and what about my friend? And what about my other friend?
9.
Hey, hard time.
Hey yo.
Right, so can I ask you a question? Thanks, but can I ask you a question? Right, so basically, if you had to rate me from 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
9.
Thanks, and what would you rate my friend here?
7.
And at the end?
10.
Cool, but why 9 though for me? Hey, hard time. Huh? I hear what I want you to do. Rate me from 1 to 10. Rate me from 1 to 10.
10. 10.
Alright, and what about my friend here in the middle?
10.
And what about my friend at the end?
10. 10.
So if you had to rate me from 1 to 10, what would you rate me? Oh, and what should you rate him?
6.
And at the end?
8.
Well, she got me tripping, babe. I just wanna vent to you. Tell me what you wanna do. I just wanna vent to you. Tell me what you wanna do. I just wanna vent to you.
Tell me what you wanna do.